Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good evening. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. On my bike again. Did you hear the music? Here is my little folding bike. And I come to the new community center, and it's so beautiful. Okay. It's so beautiful. I want to do an outfit of the day as an appreciation for this beautiful day. It makes me so happy. The setting sun and the green trees, and just a very lively. I will show you a little bit later. I want to do an outfit of the day to start. Okay, so this is the outfit of the day. This is very, very, very comfortable. Yeah. So there was just a kind lady passing by, and I was adjusting, and she said, "Do you need some help?" I do not need help, but the kindness just makes me happy. Okay, let's see. So this is the outfit. Very, very super duper comfortable. Because it's in evening. Oh, I didn't have my microphone. Because it's evening, so I wear these warm clothes. Otherwise, I will take it out. Okay, that's it. Okay, so here is the Sunnyvale Community Center, and in front of me, a little bit further, is the parking lot, and this one is an indoor sports center, and this is Monday evening, and it seems quite active. And these people does not seem like students. They are quite some gray hair, white hair. It must be the local people have this interest group or something. See, it's so lively. Yeah. Oh, and not bad at all. So here they are playing. Oh, looks so lively. Okay, so this is the indoor sports center, and here is the park, and this one is the theater, and I just passed by the theater. I did not see inside. There are some young ladies, schoolgirls, middle school girls. Maybe they are doing some choir training with one gentleman playing piano. This is the theater, and a different kind of activity center. We will go to take a look. Now let's see the singing class. They are doing some choir training, and very beautiful angelical sound. Are they stopping? They are stopping a little bit. They had just see. They have a music instrument, and this is the box office. and the Creative Arts Center. Maybe I have taught here. When I first arrived in America, I have applied all the community centers to teach art. Started from Chinese calligraphy. That was a story that by itself was a dedicated story to talk about. So this is the art center, and here is the community center playground. Is this an origami? I am a little bit matrix. Do not understand. A little bit like origami folding, right? See? I am so much into origami recently, so it just feel very interesting. And here there is a reflecting pool, and with uniform green color, a little bit natural green color. It used to be blue color. It's like plastic. And first time when I came here, that was more than 10 years ago. And later on, because of the San Francisco drought, the Bay Area drought, California drought, it stopped. And for a long time, it did not have any water. Now I think the city is taking a more how do I say, not only practical but also a bigger good kind of approach. Can you hear me? The water sound must be pretty strong, right? Okay, I will not talk. I will pass this and talk. The Canadian geese, and this pool here is just newly renovated and newly designed. Used to be a bigger pool in the center with bluish, very blue plastic-like water, and now I think they made some water features like waterfall, and that is so artsy. See, that looks so cool. So I personally have a long time relationship and some special feeling. Wait me one. Let's continue with it. It's not moving. Okay, now it's better. I have pressed a certain button and then I cannot figure out how to work it. I feel it looks so much prettier. And here they planted some ginkgo trees, and this is the starting stage, just so small. And imagine when they grow up, it will be a big grove of ginkgo trees with a lot of beautiful shading, and more place for people to walk around. And the pool seems a little bit smaller and seems a little bit deeper, so it's actually it can save some volumes of water, don't you think so? And Here is another pool. It used to be a much bigger pool, and now they are making it smaller and increase the space for people to walk around. And they have added a lot of features. Now here is my special relationship with this particular place. Yeah. Wow, look at it. So this place is Sunnyvale Community Center, and I used to be here. I used to live in this city, and I started my life here. And I think when we had our children, that is around 28 years ago, our house in another city was too small, so we rented a house here. And so I registered my business here. I moved my business, individual business, home business, from the other city and moved to here. This is a huge oak tree, heritage oak tree, and started my business. So I started as I even have a retail sellers certificate permit, and I can get a retail price. So I participated activities here. There was 1 year they started something like a multicultural, or yes, I have been to both, I think. Multicultural a festival. There was a multicultural festival, and there was some other art festival. So I was just there. Under that tree is my stand. I did, what did I do? I think I did silk painting. Oh, that hurts. Oh, I need to check it out. Yeah. So that part of playground used to be hills without any of this play structure. It's newly built, and this toilet is newly built, and these chairs and tables are newly built. All these areas are newly built. Used to be just like this, a little hill, and in the other side there are some barbecue area. This is a community center. I think I remember my stand is just here. I did silk painting, and I did silk painting, and city give me a stipend. Sorry. And city give me some stipend to buy the silk painting. Oh, I think I did ceramic painting. Yes, not silk painting, ceramic painting. Anyway, I did some art painting. Yeah. Oh, there is a senior center. Can you see it? That's a senior center with people. People dancing inside. Oh, that's so cool. Senior center. And this is so beautiful. City of Sunnyvale made a very great, very great thing to improve the quality of life of people. I do not know. I feel that this city is just so positive. I have visited their town center, their city hall. It's no longer a town center. It used to be a town center with small, low constructions like this, more or less like this. And I went to sign up my business, renew my business license, and this, and all those things, and then and then now they had a huge building, one of the tallest building in Silicon Valley, as their city hall, and it's different. Another city just stop develop of everything, and this city seems quite open to new development, new idea, new architectural style. Yeah, it's just different, let's say. Okay, I am going home. It's getting dark. And I was biking around here, and there are some constructions, a little bit like which movie? The Scissorhand, that movie. Each building is new block, and like in the movie, and very beautiful constructions, simple flat, one layer, one story house, but very, very unique and beautiful. Maybe next time I will go there to have a look. And so this is the city hall, the city community center, and further down there is a museum about a local history museum, one of the established famous people, influential people of the city, their house renovated and moved here, and there is an orchard, the orchard to show you can see that white, yes, going to the end, the white, that area is a huge orchard. Silicon Valley used to be completely only orchard. It has the best weather. Of course, it's good for agriculture, and they are still selling apricots, cherries. Olsen cherry is very, very famous. Yeah, the family, Olsen family. I like it. I like this place. This is going with time, going with history, going with the flow, and the people need place to live. So there is a need to build tall buildings and leave the room for community parks and activity area. This open space is so precious, so good. I love it. Okay. Bye bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do. Gulu gulu. Bye. Yeah, bye.